Here's how to fix highlights on Instagram not working. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix highlights on Instagram which are not working. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First step, what you need to do is just basically go to your app store. And once you're inside app store, just basically type in Instagram and search it up. And make sure that you have updated your Instagram. So here, as you can see, it's telling me to update to the latest version. But you just gotta update your Instagram to the latest and greatest version, because that could be a bug or everything that you need to fix up. So yeah, you just need to update your Instagram. And once you do the updating, so I'm just gonna let the update do after this video. But yeah, once your update is done, you just gotta go to Instagram. And here, as you can see, and so let's say if you're trying to upload the highlight but it's not uploading, so what you can do is basically go to your profile just like this. And once you're inside your profile, just basically press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Once you press on them, you're just gonna scroll down until you see the option of archive. And here, as you can see, it says archiving and downloading. You just gotta go to this option, and you'll see the top option called save story to archive. You just gotta make sure that you turn this option on, because this option might be turned off for you. So you just gotta turn this option on and it will be good to go. Your highlights problem will be fixed, and make sure to update your Instagram. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can fix highlights on Instagram not working. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.